Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can charge your DJI Mavic Mini Controller. Okay, so first of all you will need this micro USB cable and also the default charging brick. As you can see, that's old Samsung brick, and there is actually no matter which cable you are using and which charging brick. You can use the brick from your phone. You can also use this brick that is attached to your box accessories with this DJI Mavic Mini, and you have to find this micro USB port. It's next to this button on the left side of your controller. When you're holding it like that, you have to plug this cable in this place, in this position, and after that, that's very obvious, we have to plug this brick to the electricity, but also we can plug this cable, for example, to your laptop, to your PC or power bank. So let me show you. And as you can see, when we input charging brick to the electricity, as you can see, our device is charging right now. And when it will be fully charged, you will find these 4 dots stop blinking. And that's very simple, as you can see. That's all for this device. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.